Hi, I just would like to show everybody the PWM that I've just made. I copied it from the internet based on 3 diagrams, and I combined all the 3 diagrams. Okay, let's turn it on. The green LED signifies the on time and the red the off time. There are 3 potentiometers. These adjust the on time. See, as you can see, turning it clockwise makes the on time shorter, and turning it counterclockwise, the on time is longer. See, on time is longer, on time is shorter. The same with the second potentiometer. This is potentiometer for the off time. Turning it clockwise, making the off time shorter. See, it blinks faster, the red one, the red LED. And turning it counterclockwise, the off time becomes much longer. Okay, and the third one, the third potentiometer, I think this is the pulse speed. See, turning it clockwise, the pulse getting faster. See, and counterclockwise, the pulsing becomes slower. See, it's just a simple circuit, so everybody can build it easily. I'm going to show you the diagram where I based this PWM circuit. I'm going to show you later the link. I will upload it in flickr.com, so everybody can copy it. It's connected in the HHO. It's spiral design. I'm no longer use this spiral design, it's inefficient. I use now is the tube design. Look at the ammeter. The PWM works. It's also pulsing. Okay. Here's the diagram that I base the circuit. This is where I copied the LED connection and some capacitors. See, the LED high is the on period and the LED low is the off period. See, and the MOSFET connection, I copied it from here. See, but I didn't use the NT2376. I used an IRF 530 because this PWM is I use only in my scooter. IRF 530 is capable of 100 volts and 14 ampere maximum. That's a transistor. IRF 530, bought from Alexan. Okay. And the connection for the potentiometers, I copied it from this diagram. So you can adjust the duration of the off and on period. Okay, don't worry, I made a diagram where those three diagrams are already consolidated, so you can copy it, no problem. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to PM me my YouTube account. Hope you like it. I hope everybody build something like this. Don't forget to put a heatsink on the MOSFET because it really gets hot. The casing is just made of a Tupperware plastic. See? And I made the holes to the cover. That's how it's look like. I'm planning to put a small DC fan here so I can make the MOSFET cool. Okay, it looks cool. Let's make it faster. See, it's very adjustable. So it blinks so fast. Yeah, the camera can cope up with the speed of the blink. Okay, simple PWM. It does what it does. It's supposed to do. DC pulsing. Okay, so the pulsing. So bye for now. Hope everybody likes it. Okay.